turn your dress to the lining side. But keep the sleeve right side out. Take your sleeve facing, and now you're just going to pull it over the sleeve cap. So put your hand through the facing, grab the sleeve cap, and pull the facing down over it. Then just line up all the seams and notches so everything matches. And sew the facing to the sleeve cap and try to stitch right on top of the existing seam. Now we have a lot of layers here, and to reduce bulk we need to trim the seam allowance between the seam allowance of the sleeve and the sleeve facing. I know that sounds confusing, and if you're working with the delicate fabrics, don't cut as much as I do here, only trim about a ½ centimeter. I just saw that my camera didn't focus, but I hope you can still see what I'm doing. Cut the seam allowance at the side seam to reduce bulk, but be very careful not to cut through the stitching. You don't need to do this if you're working with delicate or thin fabrics. And you have to do this on both sides. Do the same at the top of the sleeve cap. Again, don't do this if you're working with thin or delicate fabrics. Go back to the sewing instructions to see the next steps.